In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add bank account details inside of Funding Pips. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go into fundingpips.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here you'll need to register for an account or log into an account if you already have one. From here it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Here you'll need to go down to the menu and then click the settings tab down here. And then from here, you'll need to go down to bank accounts. Now, as you can see, wire transfers are not currently available for me personally, but you can see here that you'll need to contact support if you believe this is an error. So to contact support, you simply need to click this little icon down here and then click that you want to add a bank account, and then they will help and guide you throughout there. If you want to add a crypto wallet, you'll simply need to go over to crypto wallet instead. And then from here, you'll need to click Add Wallet up here in the right hand corner. From here, you'll need to select the network, you'll need to select the currency, the wallet name of your wallet, and of course the wallet address. From here, you'll need to click I confirm that the provided correct wallet information is valid, and understand that providing an incorrect address may result in permanent loss of funds. From here, you'll simply need to click Save Wallet. And then from here, you have successfully added your crypto wallet inside of Funding Pips also. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!